Hello and welcome to a brand new video. So today we are going to IKEA. So I thought I would film an IKEA come shop with me. I'm really excited about this because I'm buying something today that I've wanted for ages. I've been putting it off until now. So I'm going to redo my dressing room, and we're also planning on doing the kitchen, so there's a few things for the kitchen as well we need to get. It's currently a Tuesday. The kids have just gone back to school after summer holidays, and we are going in like a couple of hours. So we're actually going to be there in the evening, so hopefully it's going to be quiet for us because we hate when it's really busy in IKEA. You just can't get anywhere, so it's a nightmare. But yes, let's get going. It's been a couple of days now since we went to IKEA, and I just thought I would end this video by showing you what I bought from IKEA. So like I said, I think in the introduction, a lot of it was for the dressing room because I am redoing this room that I'm filming, so I'm really excited to change up this whole background. So I just wanted to get into the few things I did buy. So something I knew, I wanted everything actually that, no I didn't, that's a lie, I did buy a few impulse buys, but one of the things I did know that I wanted was a Drona, that's how you pronounce it, a Drona box. So this is what it looks like in the packaging. I have already made one up just so I could show you. It's one of these fabric boxes that are absolutely massive. So I've actually bought 4 of these white ones because I do have the I don't know what the what the shelving unit's called, but it's a 4 with just the empty spaces. But this was actually, the one we've got was actually black, and it was Anthony's dad's, but I didn't like it black. It didn't go with the room, so I painted it white. So I've just got these going into it, so we've got a bit more storage because our house hasn't got very much storage. We don't even have somewhere for like the bedding and that. So yeah, because these are absolutely massive, they can fit like shoes, and I think that's mainly what I'm going to put one of them in. But yeah, that was the purpose of them. I don't have the receipt with me, I've just remembered it's downstairs, but they're not much. I've got them all saved. So I believe I've got them all still saved onto my phone, because I go on the app first and go over what I want, so then I know prices and everything when I get there, and I know exactly where I'm going, what I'm looking for. Makes IKEA so much easier for shopping there. So these boxes are £3 each, and like I said, I bought 4. So next to go into the IKEA bag. It's a massive bag, but there's not much in it, even though it's quite heavy. So I have bought another one of these plants. I do not know how to pronounce it at all. I've actually got 2. I've already got, yes, 2 of these in my house. So I have one in my living room on a shelving unit, and I have one in the bathroom on the windowsill. This is going to go on something that I bought for this room, which you will see in a minute. And I've already got a plant pot for it, but I like this. I mean, it's just, they look kind of good, and you don't have to tame to them, so I like fake ones because live ones die on me. So I also bought this, which is quite a nice thing for me to get, because I never really buy decorative stuff whenever I go to IKEA. It's mainly like just boring shit. Real nice. I remember this one being £8 because it's the smaller one of the 2, because there is a bigger one. And this is just to put, I think, in a candle in for a display piece in this room. So I was really excited actually, because in here it's a lot of white, gold and pink are the main aspects of this room, as well as a few bits of, I'm trying to get the pink out of the room as much as possible, so it's a lot of mismatch at the minute, to be quite honest, but like I said, that's why I'm changing it all up. So these I wasn't supposed to buy, but I have bought 2 scented candles. These are in berry scent, because actually they've got quite a few Christmassy stuff out at the minute that are just like candle-y stuff like this, so I thought this would be quite nice for Christmas, because I do like my block candles. They look really nice if you've got a stand for them. Like I said, these are like the berry ones, and are only, what, a couple of quid each maybe, I think. I've not actually had IKEA scented ones before that are real. A lot of the ones I get are fake, so I'm really excited. They say it burns for 45 hours, so to go with these, I bought a couple of these. So these are just holders for them to go on to just whatever I stand on. The candle doesn't have the wax like burning my furniture and things. So these are literally 75p each, which is why I originally bought them, because I wasn't going to, when I first put the candles up, I thought, oh, I'll just find a tray from somewhere else. So they're just clear, so it's quite basic, I mean, but I love Christmas time. I love the red, I love the berries, and I mean, I was a bit worried about the fact that it looks a bit like an ashtray, but once I get the candles on, then they'll be alright. I have to put them away there with the Christmas stuff until we get the Christmas stuff out, otherwise I will end up using them first. So the last thing, and the main thing that I went to IKEA for, was the Vishashi, I can't pronounce it, the shelving unit, which hopefully I haven't got up yet. I've got it in a box here, but it is really heavy, like, yeah, I can't pick that up. I'm hopefully going to start it today on my own. Anthony is at work, so hopefully I can do it without him. I don't need him, but I will probably end up needing his help. He's very handy like that. But I will get a clip of what this looks like, and hopefully I will be able to insert it here for you, just so you get to see the shelving unit. I'm also filming a dressing room, don't know what to call it yet, but we're redoing the whole dressing room. I'm hoping to film it, so you will see that in a couple of weeks' time. Thanks for watching and coming to IKEA with me. I will see you next week for a brand new video. Bye.